You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Or looking at how to pronounce these names and more confusing names many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more. This is a type of agar. Sabouraud is how it's said because it's named after a French scientist, Raymond Sabouraud. Sabouraud is how you say it in French, so the D is silent because it's French. Sabouraud, agar. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support, and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.